For decades, robotics has been built on metal, plastic, and circuits. But what if robots weren't just machines? What if they could grow, heal, and evolve, just like living organisms? Welcome to the world of biosynthetic robots, where artificial intelligence merges with biology to create something entirely new. Unlike traditional machines, biosynthetic robots integrate mechanical parts with living tissues, cells, or even neural structures. Instead of relying on motors and steel frames, they can use muscle fibers to move, neurons to process information, and organic materials to regenerate themselves. Imagine a robot that heals like human skin, a machine that learns like a living brain, a synthetic organism that converts organic matter into energy. This is no longer science fiction, it's the future of robotics. Scientists have already made groundbreaking progress. Xenobots, tiny living robots created from frog stem cells, are capable of self-repair and even reproduction. Biohybrid robots combine mechanical skeletons with muscles grown from living tissue, enabling natural movement. Brain-machine interfaces allow neurons to be integrated into AI systems, helping robots process information like a biological brain. With every breakthrough, we move closer to a world where robots are not just built, they are grown. This technology has the potential to transform every aspect of our lives. In medicine, biosynthetic robots could replace damaged tissues, act as living implants, or deliver treatments inside the human body. In space, self-repairing, adaptable machines could withstand extreme conditions, making deep space exploration more viable. In the environment, bioengineered robots could break down pollutants, absorb carbon emissions, or even help regrow forests. In industry, flexible biorobots could outperform rigid mechanical systems, handling delicate and high-precision tasks with ease. But with such powerful technology comes profound challenges. How do we ensure biosynthetic robots remain under human control? At what point does a machine stop being just a machine and become something alive? Could biorobots be hacked or used as weapons? And if they contain living tissue, do we have a moral responsibility toward them? As this technology advances, the line between artificial and biological is beginning to blur, forcing us to rethink the very definition of life itself. For the first time in history, we are creating organisms that are both machines and biological beings. If a robot can grow, heal, and learn, is it still just a robot? Or are we witnessing the birth of a new form of life? One thing is certain. Biosynthetic robots are no longer just an idea. They are the next step in the evolution of technology. And this is just the beginning.